Gotta find that other gen. Must be one on the other side of Maine or something. Ice cream. That's so fair. That's fine. Don't stress. I get it. You're right. DBD is not the most relaxing game. I agree. It either puts you in a high or a low, depending. Leon down. Quack siren chat, everybody. Oh, nice. They got the gen. Run, Robin, run. Who put that there? Oh, okay, Robin's free. Run. She wants to help. What a cutie. No. Oh, that's okay, actually. They could reset, maybe. They could reset and help. Unless he leaves them. The hook, sorry. Hi, Vegeta! How are you? What's going on? Is he at the hook? He is. You're good. Does he just kill her though? Uh-oh. Is it really hot for you? I'm not gonna lie. I am a princess in the aircon right now. But I'm good. I'm good. Just doing some games. Doing some open lobs. Oh no! He killed himself! Oh no, wait. Or did he run out of time? I wasn't watching. Do we have a gate? Run, Leon! Run, sexy Leon! Oh my god, do it! Oh my god. Do it, please. Please do it. Damn. You may as well be comfy if you're gonna be home. You should... Uh-oh. Run, Robin, run! That's unlucky. Poor Leon. His Maury's so stupid, I love it. He's in the rock, what the hell? He's in the wall. Oh yeah, darkness. Oh yeah, and maiden, that makes sense. GG's. That was kind of rough. That was a spicy, rough game. There we go. Maybe I'll try and get a chest instead. Robin, your outfit is so cute. Just a bit adorable. Have I even done this yet? Dude, I've been sitting on this for so long. I'm so shit. Help. I wonder if Joel's queuing. Hold on, is he on? He's in lobby. Oh. Oh! Survivor. Is he doing Survivor? Maybe he's playing. Vegito, do you want to do some games? Oh, he's still sniping. If we get an Oni, it might be Joel. Okay, no worries. Sounds good. I think I've officially decided. I think I'm gonna do it. And then just like gradually work on Bubba. I'll just get him up slowly. G2A is gonna get paid when it's Christmas. What are you getting? You're gonna light up DVD? Yes! It's gonna be fun. Well, I'll play this one and then, because DVD takes forever, and then yeah, oh my god, I'm excited.